Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a selfie stick tripod. So you can definitely use it like a selfie stick, but you can also make it into like a tripod, which is super convenient. And the cool thing about this is the fact that you guys can actually rotate it 360, and it's a universal phone holder, which is super awesome as well. So you can use it for almost any kind of smartphone. And the material that's on the actual product itself is aluminum material. So first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when I first open it up, you guys can see the product itself right here. So when you take it out, this is what the product looks like right here. And inside, they don't provide you guys the user guide because it's in the outside. So if you take a look right here, this is basically the user guide to teach you guys how to use the product itself. So let's take it out first. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what it looks like right here. So when you guys open up this part right here, this is basically what the product looks like. So you can rotate this 360, which is pretty awesome. But you guys want to put your phone like this and open it up to clamp your phone inside right here so you can start recording stuff or taking photos or whatever. You do have this option right here to make it looser or tighter to make it much easier to move this option right here. Right here is the removable remote itself that you can take out. So the way how you guys take that out is by pulling this part up like this and then take it out. Then start using this remote to like take photos or videos or whatever you guys want to use it for. That's up to you guys. But basically you guys want to pair it onto your device. So basically how you guys charge the product itself is by plugging the cable in the bottom part right here. And you can see that's charging right there. And the way how you guys pair the device onto your phone is by pressing it down, holding it down. And you can see that flashing light right there. So that's how you guys know you guys can start pairing it. And then once you guys pair the device onto your phone, then you start using it on your phone. Alright, so I just got to connect it. So if I were to use the button right now and press it, you guys can see what happens. Alright. So that's how you guys control it. Same thing if you guys want to use it for videos as well. Alright, so if I change it to videos, if I want to record it as well, if I press the button on here, you can see that it starts recording. If I stop it, it stops recording it. So basically if you guys want to change the setting for like the photo or video, you have to do it manually on here, but the button itself, you guys can definitely use it to take photos or start recording stuff. But I definitely love the fact of how small and compact it is, so you can just slide it back in here when you guys are not using it. So if you guys extend this part right here, let me show you guys how far it can go. So that's the furthest it can go right there. You guys can actually open up all three legs if you guys want to hold it down on a flat surface just like this, like a tripod. And then if you guys don't want to use that tripod option, you guys can fold it back up like this, and it has a really strong magnet inside to close it back up. Then you can actually hold it like this to record stuff. And obviously for this part right here is adjustable, so if it's too long, you guys can push it back down to wherever you guys want. And obviously the way how you put it on your phone is just like this, and that's all you guys need to do. So if I want to rotate it, I can go this way, or I can go the other way as well. But because of how it's designed right here, it can't go that way right there. So I can only go this way right here and keep rotating if I need to, but the phone can only go that far. But you can definitely take photos or record stuff this angle or this angle right here, if you guys can see. And obviously once you guys are done, you guys can pull it back down, take this part out, fold this part back up, and push it down like this. And obviously you guys don't put back in the remote right there, but I'm charging it right now. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself and how to actually use it. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are actually really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to do selfie for videos or taking photos in general. If you guys don't have someone to do photos or whatever for you, you guys can definitely do it all by yourself right here. And like I mentioned, the fact of how small and compact the product is, that makes it actually much more worth it for you guys. Especially if you guys are like solo travelers and you guys are doing everything yourself. You don't have to rely on someone else and do everything by yourself on here. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.